The KOAH 38-inch Shortie spear gun is one of the most popular pole guns that we have here in the store. And so what this guy is really used for primarily is guys who need a backup gun, or they get into a place where they've shot a big fish and he's up into a rock and they can't get their big gun in that space. So this little guy absolutely does the trick when you need a small gun, a powerful gun in a small space. Plenty of band stretch to give this guy plenty of pop, a fully enclosed track keeping your shaft in place there. You've got your safety here on the back, stainless steel line release, stainless steel trigger mech and trigger, a really nice custom made handle by KOAH, and a very big butt pad on the back to make sure that you can stay nice and comfortable while loading this guy. It's really awesome, very easy to maneuver and work with KOAH Shortie 38 inch.